Welcome to Journeys with Jason George, episode 26. 2 fox families with kits, same day. 3 and 4 kits. Wow. Don't forget to like and subscribe. As I show up to the spot, I'm noticing some movement. And, it is a baby fox. Oh my goodness. This is that family from that last video. And the family from last year, called the SJ Fox. You should definitely check that video. Baby foxes are referred to as kits. And, they're just like baby cats. They're very curious, but they're very timid. Most of the time they run into their den when they get spooked. But this one seems to be a little too curious. There must be some food. Maybe he's hungry. Yep. Oh, is that one in the background? There's 2 of them? Oh, this could be a good day. When you're out doing wildlife photography, you always have to be aware of your surroundings, especially when there's babies around. So I always keep my head on a swivel. And I happened to notice this spot running on the road. Is running towards me. Wait a second. That's not a spot. That's a fox. A fox with something in its mouth. And it's running directly towards me. Oh my goodness. What could it be? I wonder. A squirrel? A bunny? Yeah, this is all a part of the circle of life. I know not everybody's for it, but yeah. I see you, fox. I know you see me. But I'm not here to harm you, so I'm glad that you continued. And they dropped off the meal. Checked me out, made sure everything was good, and just did some fox things. I wonder if this is the same mother as last year and the SJ foxes, or is this a different fox that's using the same den? Or maybe it's one of the babies. I think this den is a good one. Oh, that's dinner. Wow, that's really big. Is that a gopher? Maybe, no, it's probably just a big squirrel. As I move into a clearing, the baby runs out to mom looking for food. And nope, mom doesn't have the food, so off the little kit goes. And mom's got to do what mom's got to do, and I guess she's got to go off and find more food. And yep, the baby now knows there's food, and bites off maybe a little bit more than he can chew. And then brother or sister comes along and is like, I'm gonna grab this little mouse if you're gonna take that big thing, and I'm just gonna eat it all to myself. What's awesome is these kids don't seem to be bothered by me as they just go about doing their thing. And they're fairly young, and mom has dropped off food and left. So she's fairly comfortable with me being around too. And I guess all these kids do is just eat and chew on branches. Kind of like those ditch beavers I found. They love the branches. The beavers do a lot more damage than these kids. And there's mom again. It's probably the same one, because mom last year seemed to like to run along this trail. It's weird. Why do you need to run on the outside of that fence? Well, food must be getting low because the babies are fighting again. Food must be pretty well sourced in this area because mom's back with more food. Babies are happy again. Yep, and back into the den. Well, not all of them. Mom checks some stuff out, smells some things, probably has a few words with them. I don't speak fox, so I don't really know what the fox says. Do you know what the fox says? Well, I guess everything's good because Mom looks, says bye to me, and off she goes. Man, it must be so busy being a parent. Whether it's a human parent or a fox parent, always on the go. Gotta go find dinner, and off into the sun. Catch a few rays of sun and back onto the hunt. Into the long grass, try to find another mouse or maybe a vole. Who knows? Maybe he'll get lucky, or she'll get lucky, and find a rabbit, groundhog. Who knows? This has been pretty cool. Mom heads off to hunt again, and the babies are still out. They're not really out in the open playing. They are fairly young and timid, so they do hang out in the brush and use the color for camouflage. Notice how well that they can hide, almost just hanging out in plain sight. Well, they still practice their moves and ripping apart pieces of bone or gnawing on those branches, getting ready to be a big fox. But these guys are still kind of shy, right? It'd be awesome if they were out in the open more and we could get a better look at what baby kits look at like. But that's not where they want to be today, so maybe we should move on. But foxes are getting hungry again. Look at it, it's just eating on a bone. And just like that, Mom drops off a little bit more. Yep. And, oh, maybe Mom has her hands full, so maybe we should leave and try this other spot I've been told about that has foxes. Check out this book I'm working on with Jimmy, or scan the QR code and find out about my walking stick. But back to the foxes. And I show up at this new location that I'm told about. Oh my goodness. Foxes, and there's no trees in the way. And they seem pretty friendly. And maybe they'll come out and we can get a better look at them. Because these seem to be pretty young also. I wonder how old these ones are. Man, I've seen 3 foxes at the other spot, and there's at least 3 of them here because I saw 3 heads in that hole. These ones are definitely timid because there's no protection or places to hide, so I decide to use my car as my blind so that I can hopefully get some cool footage of them. Man, seeing foxes this young out in the open, it's crazy to me that this is on the side of the road. And whoa, wait, are these ditch foxes? Are they maybe related to the ditch beavers? Yeah, probably not. But that's pretty cool that I've seen ditch foxes and ditch beavers in the same season. Huh. These ones are a little bit cuter than the beavers. What do you think? Have you ever seen baby foxes? Oh, I'm still blown away that I've seen 2 different families, and they're so young. Man, let's just sit back and watch and play for a bit. I wonder what they're smelling. Is it food, or is it a scent of an animal? Huh? Who knows? Hey, wait, don't go away. I was really Oh, you're back. Okay. Oh, that's good, because I'm really enjoying hanging out with you guys. I hope you don't mind it. Yeah, come on out. Let's play. Well, not actually play. I just want to watch you guys and see what you do. Just do the fox thing. Oh, eat some grass. Oh, there we go. Feeling a little bit more comfortable. Out running around. Oh, this is so cool. Look at how young you are. Maybe just a couple weeks? Does anybody know? Well, there weren't 3 fox kits at this den. There's actually 4 of them. That makes 7 fox kits that I've seen today. Well, there was actually another one from a 3rd family, but I didn't get any photos or video of it. It just ran off into the distance and I couldn't find where it went. But 7, that's pretty cool. That's a decent little wildlife adventure for me. Man, I hope I get to hang out and see them more. I wonder how long they can survive by this roadway. There used to be 5 baby kits at this one, but one of them unfortunately was hit by a car, I think yesterday, and was carried off somewhere by Mom, I was told by one of the neighbors here. So hopefully the rest of the family survives, but they seem to be pretty happy. When I arrived, Mom was here, but Mom decided to leave them. She must be fairly close by and watching, or at least know that they can run into the den and hide if anything happens. I wonder how far Mom actually is. Oh, something must have spooked them. I wonder what they hear. I don't hear anything. Clearly the one is not fazed by any of the noises that the other 3 were, because dinner's dinner. We all gotta eat. The largest fox family I've ever seen is 8. I think there might actually have been 9, but I only have a photo that proves that there were 8 in this one den. 4, 5 I've seen a couple times, but never out in the open like this. Normally they have some trees around where they need to hide, or not need to, but they use for hiding. These ones are just out in the open. This is such a special moment. Thank you so much for sharing this opportunity with me, Shauna, so that I can record and share it with other people. Because this is a magical moment. All 4 of them just doing their own thing. Oh. Hey bro, watch this move I've got. I call it plant and go. Ready? Boom! Oh, man, you're so good. I didn't even see where you went. Hey, I'm right here. Do any of you guys want some of this food here? I've been eating it, but you can have some if you want. But I'm just going to take this one piece, because it's actually the best piece, but you guys can have the rest. Hey, yeah, get out of here. Yep, I'm going to put my bum in your face too, because that's what I do. And, yep, this is now my spot. Yep, I'm going to come in there and hang in. Maybe we can share some food in here. Time to practice our pouncing. Pounce, pounce. Oh, an attack. Hey, we're only pouncing, not attacking. Well, you know what, Jay? It's been a lot of fun, but all that pouncing, it actually makes me really tired. So, just like my brothers and sisters, I'm actually going to head off and go to bed. But I hope your friends have enjoyed this, and that they like, subscribe, and share this video, because I've enjoyed hanging out with them. But stay safe, Jay. Be good. Have fun. Make the most. Spread that love. Share the wildlife. Till next time, stay safe, have fun, and enjoy the nature. And feel free to check out my book or learn a little bit more about my walking stick. Scan the QR code.